Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today we're out here at Croom. We just decided to bring the truck out with the four-wheeler and ride through some forest roads and see what it was about. We've never been out here, so we know that Croom has the ATV park. We won't be going there today, but we just wanted to check out the forest roads and just get away from everything and cruise through the woods and then show you guys in case you ever want to come out here. I know there's a few campgrounds around, but I don't think you can camp out here. I'm not sure. If I'm wrong, then just let me know in the comments. So yeah, we're gonna cruise through here, do some filming for you guys. We might get the four-wheeler out. Yeah, so stay tuned and see what happens. All right guys, so we came from this direction, which was Forest Road. We came in on Forest Road 9.
Yep.
And then we took that all the way straight until
this is 4.
the fork in the road, and we stayed left, which took us to this trail, which is Forest Road 4. So now we're at 4, about to turn right onto 7. So 7. So we're gonna head this direction.
So
and
that's
then
gonna take us to the boundary.
Okay.
And then we're gonna go, so we're right here, going up just to the boundary here. So we can kind of come backtrack a little bit. But yeah, I've never been here, so we're just checking out the place.
Checking it out. So the only thing we do recommend is you could probably come out here in a 2-wheel drive. You just have to catch some speed going up some of these sand hills. 4-wheel drive would probably be preferred. Now, you can tell during the rainy season that these are probably pretty deep. Like, you see the wall over here. See how high it is up my knees here. It's all dry right now, so it's perfect if you even want to come out in your wife's minivan. You just don't tell her and catch some speed coming up these hills. You'll do fine. Don't tell anybody that I told you to do it. Right?
Can neither confirm nor deny.
10-4. All right, so like I said, we're going to take a right on the Forest Road 7, take that out to the boundary, and then we'll update you there. All right, guys, so we just saw some signs on the trees. We decided to stop. It says close to vehicles. And we see a lot of like ground erosion. So let's start over here.
But this is full of water.
Oh, guaranteed. During the rainy season. Let's walk down there. Yeah, guys, so what I said about the whole minivan thing, probably not. Probably not a good idea. But I mean, if you do it, you'd be a legend. Still some standing water. Close to vehicles, huh? That looks like fun. What? What is this? So this is off the right side of Forest Road 7. All right, that's pretty sick. Wow. This is awesome. So if you guys want to check this out, off the right side of Forest Road 7, coming from Forest Road 4. Let's see if we can find a sign. Oh, there's one. Yeah, you got to put it where people can't take it down. Look at that. Closed to vehicles. Do not obstruct roads, gates, or fire lines. Pretty cool spot. Well guys, I think this is going to be the end of the video. I highly recommend y'all come out and ride this trail. So, it's so peaceful and quiet out here. I left Keaton in the dust, so waiting for him to catch up. Here he comes. But guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We both have full-time jobs and we make videos when we can. We really appreciate you guys watching. We're gonna be doing this a lot more with the Jeep, the Tacoma, and this. My wife's gonna come out. My son is gonna ride with me. Remember to like and subscribe. Comment on the video if you want to. Drop some more trails for us to check out. Follow us on Instagram at Double Run Overland. So thank you again, guys. See you next time.
Yeah, it's a Ford.
Figure that one out.
You know what's funny? It overheated about 300 yards that way. It was a hard road.